Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So Crystal had lost a bet today, so she is here at my house making a recipe she is calling Fantastic Fruit Salad. So as you can see, we've got a bunch of fresh fruit here. We've got some blueberries, some star fruit, we've got a plum, some oranges, some kiwis, a pear, and 2 different kinds of apples. And we are going to start cutting and we will be right back. Alright, we're almost done getting our fruit cut up. Birgit's got some oranges, some kiwi, and some star fruit. And I've got some red apples, some green apples, some plums, and I've rinsed our blueberries. And it happens to be starting to rain outside. I don't know if you can really see that, but that tends to be a running theme on our cooking days.
Yeah, it really does.
So we've got everything ready to go here, and Crystal is going to give us our next direction.
You know what? I got sick last flu season. I'm not
So
doing
did
that
I.
again. I'm not doing that again. I don't know about you.
Yeah, I got sick too, and I definitely don't want to do that again.
No. So this recipe should help us kick germs.
Very high in vitamins.
Yes. So what we're gonna do first is put the blueberries in the big bowl.
Blueberries.
And Katie, if you're out there, I know you're watching this, and I know this is your favorite.
All right, into our nice big bowl. What's next?
The kiwis.
Kiwis.
Star fruit.
Star fruit.
Oranges.
Oranges. Oops.
Red apple.
Red apple is one of my favorites.
Green apple.
Green apple.
My favorite.
Yep.
Plums.
Plums.
And pears.
And pears. Probably should have brought something to stir this with.
We'll get something to stir that, and we'll be right back.
All right, we're just gonna give everything a nice stir. All right, so we've got everything mixed through, and here is our beautiful fresh fruit salad. And Crystal is having a taste right now. How is it, Crystal? Good?
Good.
All right, well, thank you for watching, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye.
Bye.